Tamil Nadu Agricultural University has announced the TNAU 2021 first sliding round seat allotment result for UG programs at TNAU. AC. In. The TNAU 2021 second sliding round seat allotment result for UG programs will be declared on March 19, 2022. The certification verification process for TNAU 2021 UG's second sliding round seat allotment list will be conducted from March 22 to 24, 2022. The university will release the TNAU UG third sliding round seat allotment list 2021 on March 26, 2022. The TNAU first phase seat allotment 2021 for UG programs was released on March 3, 2022. Tamil Nadu Agricultural University has also released the TNAU 2021 PG selection list for the first, second, and third round on February 19, March 1 and March 11, 2022, respectively. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.